Hello students, a very happy and cheerful morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. So students, are you ready for your English class? Today we will start a fresh new chapter. Chapter 9. What is the name of our chapter? The Golden Touch. So take out your textbook and let us read the story. So let us read the story, The Golden Touch. Once upon a time, there was a king named Midas. Can you see the picture of King Midas? Yes. He was the king of quite a beautiful country. He was the king of a country which was very beautiful, where the people were content. Now, what is the meaning of content, children? Where the people of that place were well satisfied. Okay, they were satisfied with the king. And life went along well and everything was going smoothly. Midas had a daughter who was the joy of his life, and this King Midas, he had a daughter who was the joy to his life. She was always happy and cheerful and the people loved her. If we are polite, kind, happy, so all people love us, right? So in the same way, the girl, that means the daughter of the king, was always happy and cheerful. Okay. And all the people loved her. Why do you think the people loved her, children? Guess and answer. Okay. Her hair was the color of spun gold. Now what is the spun gold? It is a color of a little orange shade. I will show you in the video. Her hair was the color of spun gold and her eyes were blue. Okay, remember how they have described about the girl. Okay, they said when she sang, the birds came down from the trees and sat on her hand. Everyone said that when the girl was singing, so the birds came down from the tree and they sat on her hand. So gentle and kind was she. Again, what is said about the girl? That the girl was gentle and kind. King Midas loved his people, his kingdom, and his beautiful daughter. The king was generous. He loved his people, his kingdom, and his beautiful daughter. But he also loved gold. Apart from these things, he also loved gold. Yes, he craved for it. Craved means strong wish. He strongly loved gold. He had rooms full of it. He even had a throne made entirely from gold. Throne means a chair where king was sitting. So that also was made up of gold. Then what is further? See, till here I hope you have understood the story. Then let us read the next paragraph. He was still a good man and a good king. He was a good man and a good king, but he could not free himself of his obsession for more and more gold. What is one bad thing about him? He was otherwise good, but he could not stop his obsession. He loved so much gold. One day, as he sat on his golden throne, he closed his eyes and imagined. One day he sat on the throne, he closed his eyes, and let us see what he imagined. That his fondest dream had come true. That his favorite dream had come true. He dreamt that everything he touched turned to gold. What he dreamt? That everything he touched turned to gold. Okay. On this day he had his dream yet again. On this day he had his dream yet again. He saw a strange figure, and suddenly he saw a strange figure. It was a head that looked like flames were all around. See what was the strange figure? I'll show you in the video. From that strange figure, it looked like that flames were all around. Then the figure spoke to him. And what suddenly the figure spoke to him, children? King Midas, you have been a good king, a good man and a good father, said the figure. Your only flaw has been your craving for something unimportant. Flaw means, children, weakness. Your only mistake, your only weakness is that you crave for something unimportant. Gold is not so important that we can't live without it. Your dream of a power you don't really want. So that figure said these words to the king, okay? That you have been a good man, good king, but your only flaw is that you have been craving for something unimportant. Oh, I do want this power. I want it more than I want anything in the whole world, cried Midas. Oh, I do want this power. I want it more than I want anything in the whole world. So he said in his dream that you don't know that I want gold. I want this power. I want it more than I want anything. It was so important for him. So I hope this much story is clear for you, children. Now I'll show you a short video. So children, see the video carefully. The Golden Touch. See, this is a kingdom, and who was the king? King named Midas, and the kingdom was beautiful. All people were satisfied. See, she is the daughter of the king, happy and cheerful always. Okay. Then let us see further. People loved her. Her eyes were blue and her hair, can you see the color of her hair? Spun gold. When she was singing, the bird came down from a tree and sat on her hand. Right? King Midas loved his daughter, kingdom and the people. But what was his obsession? Did you see in the last picture? He also loved gold. King Midas, a good man. He was a good king, right? But see, which word means the same as kingdom? Here are three options. Country, city or empire? Yes, empire means the kingdom. See, the throne, the chair he is sitting is also made up of gold. So, what he is thinking? He wants gold. So, he is dreaming something. Then he had a dream that what if I touched everything and that turned into gold? See, he touches this and it turned to gold, but this was just a dream. Then a strange figure, see, flames, can you see? A strange figure says, King Midas, you have been a good king, good man and a good father. But your only flaw is your obsession for gold. Okay, children? So what does the king replied? That I do want this power. I want it more than anything. So I hope till here the chapter is clear for you. In the next video lesson, we'll continue further. Till then, take care, keep smiling. May God bless you.